Almost a half dozen Westfield High School students have come down with whooping cough. Westfield's public health nurse Deborah Malvena told 22 News 5 students at the high school have been diagnosed with this infection. Whooping cough, which is also known as pertussis, is a highly contagious respiratory tract infection. Besides the cough, symptoms include a runny nose, nasal congestion, and sneezing. Malvena calls it a cluster, not an outbreak at the school. She recommends students that they get checked out by a doctor if they develop any symptoms.